Sequence map is a very helpful controller when it comes to frequent switching between two or more articulations. Many musical styles follow patterns that establish recurring rhythmic structures. To apply these patterns authentically and intuitively, especially when it comes to patterns with short notes, switching between different articulations is the most effective way. Let's look at a short example. We're constantly switching between staccatos and détachés and load a staccato patch into the first cell, a détaché into the second cell. Then we activate Sequence Map as a controller for the horizontal axis of the matrix control bars. From now on, we'll get a different articulation whenever we play a note, switching through the cells of the matrix. It's very convenient to concentrate on actually playing the pattern without having to worry about switching articulations manually. We'll extend our matrix with the same two articulations, but in different orders. In the first row, only staccato, second row, détaché, third row, one staccato, one détaché. Fourth row, two staccatos, one détaché, and two staccatos and two détachés. Now let's add key switches to switch between the various rows. These key switches will switch between the different rows and will therefore trigger different patterns. The two threshold values in the matrix bar let you define the time span that can pass to interpret two consecutively played notes as chords. In this case, if the time span between two or more notes is shorter than 20 milliseconds, you will hear a chord with the same articulation, and you will switch to the next cell with the next note that follows after a pause longer than 20 milliseconds. Reset threshold defines the length of the pause before the pattern will start again from the very first cell of the matrix.